Hey, good evening everyone. So, in this video, I'm going to be talking about things you need to definitely consider before adopting a dog or puppy. So, dogs are definitely our best friends. Dogs have been with us for many years, even for many centuries. They have walked with us, they have sailed with us, they have lived with us, shared our food, they have protected us from wild animals. Even some dogs have even orbited the earth. Till date, we don't have an equipment as efficient as dogs because they are very good at identifying explosives and drugs everywhere, and they are serving us a lot in army and police, etc. Centuries after centuries, dogs have proved their loyalty to us. So it is our responsibility to take good care of them. So let's dive into the topic. So the first thing you need to consider is the quality of time, because you need to dedicate a quality of time for your poor little creature. They need constant attention and care. If they are sick, you need to take them to the vet. So time is really important. If you are a person who works relatively longer than other people, probably adopting a dog is not a good choice. Make sure your family members are okay with it. If you are a bachelor, go for it. But if you live in a family, you need to make sure that they are okay with you adopting a dog. Make sure you have enough money left in your wallet, because dogs can get sick too, and their medical bills can be as high as yours. It is quite important to get your pet neutered, because you don't want your dog running behind a female dog which is in heat, or if you have a female dog, you don't want unnecessary pregnancies. And neutering has its own benefits. It reduces hormonal stress. It reduces the incidence of ovarian cancer, mammary cancer, and prostate cancer. It also helps to prevent pyometra. Pyometra is a condition where uterus is filled with pus, and neutering is known to prolong your pet's life. And let's say you have adopted a dog. So you may ask me, what are the next things which you need to know? So annual vaccinations and biannual checkup is really important. Immunizing your pet is going to prevent lots of deadly diseases. Routine vet visits for general health checkups are really important to know whether your pet is healthy or not. It also helps to diagnose diseases as early as possible. Next is pet identification tags and microchipping. In case your pet gets lost, identification tags will help you track them. And coming to the day-to-day routines, dental hygiene is quite important. Make sure you dedicate your time at least twice in a week to brush your dog's teeth, because it is going to prevent a lot of diseases. And of course, you need to take care of their fur. Regular brushing and grooming is going to make your pet look stunning. And most importantly, dogs need exercise. Make sure you spend at least an hour in a day to run and play with your dog, because exercise is known to reduce his stress. Exercise releases endorphins, which is going to keep your pet really healthy. Preventing your dogs from tick, fleas, and worms are really important. Make sure you regularly deworm your pet. And the most important thing is start training. For example, toilet training and crate training for your puppies, and some basic commands like sit, stand, stop, walk, etc. Things you should never do. Never leave your puppy unattended, because puppies are really hyperactive then, and they always want to chew something, and in this process probability of them swallowing an object is quite common, and that can lead to severe illness. Some puppies and some young dogs even die because of ingesting a foreign body. So be careful. Don't leave your pet unattended. Don't leave your dog chained outdoors, because chances of your dog getting attacked by some predators or other dogs are quite common. And in case of natural disaster, your dog will be helpless, because you have already tied him and he won't have any escape plan, and eventually he will die. So don't tie your dogs outside. Don't leave your dog in the car. No matter where you are, what you are doing, nothing is important than your dog, because locked cars can accumulate a lot of heat and your dog can die because of heat stroke. If you see a dog locked inside a car, immediately report to the local authorities, because that can kill the poor thing. By reporting, you are going to save the precious life. And you need to provide them with a lot of toys, especially chew toys like bones, chew sticks, etc. because dogs naturally love chewing, they have their instincts. Look what I bought for my dogs. And finally, this is the most important thing. You need to give lots of love and affection to your dogs, because they love it and they will reciprocate it. And there is a saying that mother's love is the purest love. But according to me, dogs' love is even more pure. There are different types of love, but when it comes to unconditional love, dogs are the real masters. So this is my dog, Papudu. He's really a very good boy. I adopted him from streets. He was run over by a car and he had femur fracture. Luckily I found him and I treated him, and now he's my baby. This is my other dog. Her name is Patch. As you can see, she has a nice patch. So I again adopted her because she was found on the road with multiple bite injuries all over her body, and she was really sick. But now she's happy. Hope you liked my video. If you liked it, make sure you subscribe to my channel and feel free to comment. I'll see you soon with another interesting topic. Till then, take care and bye.